You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn the name of her official title, it is quite confusing. It's a Marchioness of that place in the UK. It's not Marchioness actually, but if you want to learn how to pronounce it, stay tuned. I've got the video for you. Sarah Rose Hanbury. Sarah Rose Hanbury. Stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.